Massive news today, and I really do mean that for Tesla. Tripling the number of cities in the United States. They are legally operating completely unsupervised robotaxis, now also in Houston and Dallas. These are two of the top 10 largest cities in the United States by population. This is a very big deal for many reasons. Number one, simultaneously launching unsupervised autonomy in more than one city on the same fucking day at the same time. Clearly, Tesla's very confident that there's not going to be any major issues. Now, obviously, they're still at very small scale here, but I just want to repeat this. Tesla went from operating fully unsupervised robotaxis in one city in the United States, Austin. They're currently operating in San Francisco, but there is somebody sitting behind the driver's seat doing approximately nothing, just watching. Whereas in Austin, they have a portion of their fleet fully unsupervised, no one from Tesla anywhere in the vehicle, and another portion of their fleet has somebody in the passenger seat, just in case. And then out of nowhere, on the same fucking day, they launch in two new major cities and have the confidence to have at least one vehicle in the fleet in both of these cities fully unsupervised. Just think about what a massive, big swinging dick moment this is from Tesla. They didn't just launch with supervisors behind the wheel in a couple of new cities on the same day, which itself would have been pretty cool. And yes, this is a commercial service currently operating. Tesla consumers who have the Robotaxi app can use these vehicles today. The fully autonomous Dallas and Houston Tesla Robotaxi, you can get in it, order a ride right now. And soon we'll actually look at some of the customer videos from these very vehicles currently legally operating. I'm going to say it for the third time, maybe the fourth time. Two new cities out of nowhere, fully unsupervised Tesla Robotaxis on the same day in the number 4 and 9th largest city in the US by population. Bitches, the official Tesla Robotaxi account, posting not only the rollout videos, Houston and Texas today, but also sharing the service areas. Tesla investors who've been paying attention may have seen this one coming, of course. John reposting Tesla's own publicly stated rollout for Robotaxi. With a few ticks now as well, their most recent earnings report said that they'd be launching their Robotaxi service in the first half of 2026 in the following cities. Dallas, tick. Houston, tick. Still to come. Phoenix, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, and Las Vegas. A couple of months left in the quarter and still a handful of cities to go. We'll get to some of the actual videos of customers using these fully autonomous robotaxis in both Dallas and Houston. But first, I just wanted to share this. Ted Cruz reposting this with a single word, wow. For those who don't know, Ted Cruz is a US senator based in Texas. An interesting post here from Sawyer Merritt, who wrote, the fact that Tesla is launching unsupervised robotaxi right off the bat in Houston and Dallas makes me more bullish for the speed of the Cybercab rollout. I was expecting the robotaxi rides in new cities to initially only be offered with safety monitors, which makes two of us, Sawyer. It's not that often, as a deluded Tesla fanboy, overly optimistic, just ask my haters, who, by the way, I hope have been lifting with their knees as they ferociously once again move the goalposts. It's not that often that I'm completely shocked by something Tesla pulls off. This is one of those cases. Two cities, same day, unsupervised. Are you serious? Okay, now let's look at a few highlights, some of the clips from people who've actually been in these vehicles, commercially, legally operating, fully unsupervised in Dallas and Houston. It is a little bit strange to be watching this clip. A Tesla vehicle, vision only, somehow legally and safely operating, when the experts were telling me this was impossible, that they definitely need LiDAR. Plus also Elon was a liar, a fraud, a con man, a fake engineer. Maybe this whole video is just fake. Let's check out another video and just make sure.
What? Stop. Oh God.
Tell you what, it must be a tough day to be a Tesla skeptic. I really do hope they're lifting with their knees as they continue to move the goalposts. And believe me, we will see incredible levels of cope from the skeptics and haters. Here's what they will say. Having, by the way, previously said that Tesla would never solve autonomy, vision only wouldn't work. But then it launches mid last year in Austin, first supervised, then some unsupervised. They have nothing to say about that. We will hear these kind of comments. Well, it's only extremely low scale, therefore it doesn't count. Even though we are watching with our very own eyes vehicles legally and safely operating in multiple cities now in the United States on vision only, which we were reliably informed was impossible. No doubt there'll be some issues and incidents. This is why Tesla launches at a small scale initially, iron out any kinks and learn. We will see hyperfixation on any imperfect trips, diminishment of this monumental accomplishment. This huge sign of confidence from Tesla. Well, it's only a couple of vehicles. Doesn't really count. It's only some vehicles. Not very. Waymo's got more vehicles still. Plus, it'd be safer if it had LiDAR and radar and gaydar and sonar and could read Braille. Plus, Waymo's still ahead of Tesla in terms of vehicle fleet size and has better technology anyway. Plus, Elon bad. It's not operating in Europe or Asia autonomously yet, is it? Huh? What, Waymo isn't either. So, I'm not talking about Waymo. I'm talking about how Tesla's shit and Elon's a fraud. And as we continue to see Tesla launch at small scale, city after city throughout the United States in the first half of this year and then the second half as well, every step of the way, the skeptics and haters will find some reason that this isn't really a meaningful accomplishment. It doesn't count. Their own dual camera vision system is not reliably showing them reality. Just because we're seeing vehicles legally and safely operating on Tesla's autonomous software doesn't really mean that that's actually what's happening. And eventually at some point, as Tesla's robotaxis have scaled so widely and globally, these same skeptics will have completely forgotten that they ever doubted Tesla, at least when it comes to autonomy, because they'll be much more interested in how the Optimus humanoid robot will never be successful. And the Terafab project is a massive stock pump. So at this point, I'd just like to hold a moment of silence for both the Tesla skeptics, the autonomy skeptics, the vision-only skeptics, everyone who said this was impossible. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, that's enough silence. And an even longer moment of silence for those who ever once owned Tesla stock and sold prior to the rapid scaling of Tesla's global fleet of robotaxis. Prepare yourselves, this is going to be the longest silence you've ever heard in any of my videos by far. Are you ready? A moment of silence for the ex-Tesla shareholders.
The people are retarded.
Impatience is the real killer when it comes to investing. Want more content? Early access? A bunch of perks? Click the links in the pinned comment. AG1 has been part of my daily health protocol for almost half a decade. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals and helps me fill in nutritional gaps while supporting energy, digestion, and immune function. It also has prebiotics and probiotics to promote gut health. I take my health very seriously, and so should you. Try AG1 today by visiting drinkag1.com/SMR or click the link in the pinned comment and enjoy a free welcome kit with vitamin D3 plus K2 and AG1 travel packs. That's drinkag1.com/SMR.